Make a great choice today with the 2014 Dodge Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.